Today our pets suffer the same problems that we do as we age, primarily pain and inflammation between pollutants in the air and in the water, bad food, drugs, medications, vaccines. All of these increase the toxic load in the body, and our pets suffer from it. And of course they can't tell us that they're in pain, but we can tell by the way they move. We are pleased to announce that BioComplete has come up with a new formula for pain and inflammation based on age-old traditional herbs and botanicals. Things like turmeric, boswellia, white willow, ginger. All of these are essential tools in knocking out those inflammations, whether it be in joints, in the digestive tract, cleaning out even the liver. All of these are very, very helpful for keeping our pets healthy. These toxins are going to be removed from the body, used on a regular basis. There is no toxic side effects like there are in a lot of drugs. Therefore, it's completely safe to use on a daily basis. That's BioComplete, pain and inflammation.